Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about swivel squeegee handles. We're going to show you the differences between the different models. But more importantly, I want to show you the difference between the new stuff here that all the cool kids are using versus the stuff that I grew up with, what was considered to be a swivel handle back in the day, as they say. So about 20 years ago when I got into window cleaning, this was a very popular swivel handle. This was the Unger Swivel Tech handle. Another one would be the Sorbo swivel handle. It's had the look changed a little bit. It's got the logo now on here, which looks really cool. There's the swivel. And then, of course, we have the Ettore Super System handle. Now, all of these, you can adjust the swivel in a certain way. Usually, like on the Ettore, you've got a screw here, so you can increase or decrease the tension. Same with on the Sorbo. On the Unger was a little bit different. You actually have this dial that you could tighten or loosen. So if you wanted a looser swivel action, you can also have this button here which would lock it into a straight position. Then it would become a straight squeegee. Now for the most part, all these swivel handles, they weren't really meant to be worked with the channel being very loose, except kind of in the case of the Unger one, because the Unger had a 0-degree version, which was very popular to use loose on a pole. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But first I want to talk to you about the actual way that people would use swivel handles back, like I say, about 20 years ago or earlier. Actually, I'm going to do this with the Sorbo handle just for demonstration purposes. Now, let's say you're going to use a squeegee on a pole. And let's say I'm standing over here, but the window I got a squeegee is off over here. Now, there might be an obstacle over here, which means I can't stand and do a straight pull. So if I was going to be standing over here, I would actually push the channel to be in the right angle so that I could go up to the top of the window and squeegee down. Or in another particular case, it might be more advantageous. Like if you got a long window like that's very wide and very long, I could actually swivel it this much, go up there and just go straight across like that instead of top down. And this is the way, like I said, for the most part, we used swivel handles. But along came the Wagtail squeegee about a little over 20 years ago, and it had a very loose pivot action. And this was very strange and foreign to veteran window cleaners. In fact, even today, when I sell a Wagtail, a lot of people ask me, well, how do I lock this into a straight position? And I always tell them that if you want this squeegee to be in a locked straight position, then you don't want a Wagtail. You want just one of the other regular straight handles. But the Moerman handle, they came along with the Exelerator, borrowed pretty much the same idea as the Wagtail, and now it's very popular to use loose pivot action or loose swivel squeegees. Now, the one thing about swivel squeegees that are loose like this, you're not supposed to use it in the case where you're just kind of going your hand back and forth and have this thing flop about. The swivel action actually comes from the twisting of the handle, whether it be in your hand or on a pole. And that really helps you get a lot of control, because obviously just doing this down a window, it's going to be really sloppy. Now, as I mentioned, the Unger Ergotech, this is the old school one, you could really loosen it up quite easily. You didn't need a screwdriver or anything. So it was actually pretty good to use it nice and loose on a pole. And a lot of people still to this day use this when they do a lot of pole work, especially ground level work where you got very large windows, or if you're just reaching over bushes or something, and it's a lot easier to get the right angle to the glass using a 0-degree, because you can just use the pole to get whatever angle you need. I'm going to show you a couple of examples of me back in the day. This is about 15, 17, maybe 18 years ago using this squeegee. When fanning with a 0-degree on a pole, I like to take my time cutting into the sides, ensuring that there will be very little detailing to be done. After the sides are done, you only have to worry about the middle, and you can go as fast as you like. So just to wrap up this video, I just wanted to emphasize that when ordering a squeegee online or going into a shop like my shop here, looking for swivel squeegees, there's really two types or two mindsets of what a swivel squeegee is. There's the old school version where you kind of just set up an angle that you want to use the squeegee at, versus the one where it's loose and you have a little bit more fluid action with it. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.